Okay, good morning to all of you, my friends and my students. Especially kung may estudyante sa Alisa Technical Vocational High School. Okay, shout out to all of you. Today, I will present to you again. This is all about Mathematics 10, Quarter 3, Module 6, Assessment. Okay, we have now in Mathematics 10, Quarter 3, Module 6, Assessment. Of course, you are going to have assessment test and you are going to answer this assessment test. Then, we have now Module 6, Assessment. We have the direction. Read and understand the problems carefully. Write your answers on the answer sheet provided. Read and understand the problems carefully, and then you are going to write your answers on the answer sheet provided for you. Number 1. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting a 2? Again, a die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting a 2? So we have now, there are 6 cases of a die. Then, what is the probability of getting a 2? So we have only one outcome in getting a number 2. And there are 6 outcomes in the sample space. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1 over 6. And the probable answer here is 1 over 6. Number 2. A box contains 3 pink balls, 2 green balls, and 5 blue balls. If a ball is picked at random from the box, what is the probability that the ball picked is a blue ball? A box contains 3 pink balls, 2 green balls, and 3 blue balls. If a ball is picked at random from the box, what is the probability that the ball picked is a blue ball? So we have how many balls are there? So we have 3 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we have 5 over 10 is equal to 1/2. So what will be your answer? Letter A, 1/2. B, 1/5. C, 1 over 10, then D is equal to 1. So the probable answer here is letter A, 1/2. Number 3, 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting a sum of 5? So we have 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting a sum of 5? So in this case, there are 2 dice being rolled. So, how many outcomes in the sample space? So, using the fundamental counting principle, we have one die has 6 faces and another die has 6 faces. So, you are going to multiply 6 and 6. So, there are 36 outcomes in the sample space. But what is the probability of getting a sum of 5? So, what are the numbers when you add is equal to 5? So, we have 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, and we have 4, 1. So how many outcomes? There are 4. So we have now 4 divided by 36 is equal to 1 over 9. So we have letter A, 1/4, B, 1 over 9, C, 4 over 9, D, 1 over 36. So the possible answer here is equal to 1 over 9. Number 4. 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability that at least one tail comes up? So we have 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability that at least one tail comes up? So there are 2 coins are tossed. What are how many outcomes in the sample space? So we have 2 coins. There are 2 faces has 1 coin. Another coin has 2 faces. So we have using the fundamental counting principle, we can have the number of outcomes in the sample space. We have 2 times 2 is equal to 4. What is the probability that at least one tail comes up? So we have HH, we have HT, we have TH, and TT. So at least sa one combination nagi usa ka tail. So how many outcomes has at least one tail comes up? So we have 3/4. So you have now A 1/4, B 1/2, C 3/4, and D is equal to 1. So we have now the probable answer here is letter C, 3/4. Number 5. What is the probability of getting a heart in a deck of 52 cards? What is the probability of getting a heart in a deck of 52 cards? So we have now the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the jack, the queen, and the king. So we have now 13 hearts in a deck of cards. So what is the answer? We have letter A, 13. Letter C, 13/26. Letter B, 14. And letter D, 13/52. So we have the answer, or the probable answer here is letter D, 13/52. Number 6. A coin and a die are rolled. What is the probability of getting a head and a 3? So we have a coin and a die are rolled. What is the probability of getting a head and a 3? So we have 1/12. The answer here, or anyway, we have letter A, 1/2, B, 1/4, C, 1/6, and letter D is 1/12. So the probable answer here is letter D, 1/12. Number 7. For items 7 to 8, a box contains 3 red chips, 2 white chips, 3 yellow chips, and 4 blue chips. For item 7 to 8, a box contains 3 red chips, 2 white chips, 3 yellow chips, and 4 blue chips. We have number 7. What is the probability of drawing a red chip and 1 yellow chip in succession without replacement? What is the probability of drawing 1 red chip and 1 yellow chip in succession without replacement? We have letter A, 3/44, B, 9/132, C is equal to 1/2, and letter D, we have 1/6. The probable answer here is letter D, 1/6. Number 8. What is the probability of drawing 1 white chip and 1 blue chip in succession with replacement? What is the probability of drawing 1 chip, 1 white chip, and 1 blue chip in succession with replacement? What is the probability of drawing 1 white chip and 1 blue chip in succession with replacement? Letter A, 2. Letter B, 6. Letter C, 1/2. And letter D, 1/18. And the probable answer here is letter D, 1/18. For items 9 to 10, 3 pair coins are tossed. Number 9. What is the probability that at least 2 heads come up? What is the probability that at least 2 heads come up? So we have now letter A, 1/2, letter B, 1/4, letter C, 1/8, and letter D, 1/12. The answer here is letter A, or the probable answer here is letter A, equal to 1/2. Again, it is better for you to have your solution so that you can compare your answer and the answer in the assessment. Okay? So I just hope, again, you are following your module so that you will not be confused in answering your assessment. And please do use your calculator. Number 10. Again, for items 9 and 10. 3 fair coins are tossed. Number 10. What is the probability that at least one tail comes up? What is the probability that at least one tail comes up? So we have letter A equals 7, letter B 8, letter C 7 over 8, and letter D 1 over 8. So the possible answer here is equal to letter C 7 over 8. Again, it is better for you to solve, and do not forget to follow this with your module so that you will not confuse in understanding this assessment. Okay, of course, use your calculator. Now, we have again Mathematics 10, Quarter 3, and we are in the assessment. Then summative will follow. The end of my presentation about the topic. And just hope those who are not yet subscribing my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for some updates of my videos. This is your teacher, Castor Ayuban. Thanks for watching. For videos, please click here and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.